All right, here we go. It is that time, another all-day battery drain test with the OnePlus 15. Time is now 7 a.m. We are 100% charged. Taking the phone off the charger now. What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here. That is right, today I'm gonna be doing one of my all-day real-life battery drain tests with the new OnePlus 15. And I'll tell you guys right now, battery life on this device has been amazing. I mean, we got a 7,300 milliamp battery. It's being powered by that Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. And yeah, battery life has been great. But if you are new to the channel, basically the way this works is I'll be using this device as I normally do all throughout my day. And then every so many hours, I'll be updating you all, letting you know what my usage has been like throughout that time, what my battery percentage is at that time, and what my screen on time is at that time as well. Now, do keep in mind that screen on time is not everything. We also got to take into account when we're watching videos, listening to music, talking on the phone, you know, when we're using those speakers or using, you know, more data, being on a 5G connection, all of that is using more battery life as well. Now, I will try to keep this as fair as possible by going in between a 5G connection and Wi-Fi connection throughout my day, because if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, it is going to help save more battery, but you know, not everybody can be home on a Wi-Fi connection all day long. So I'll try to keep this test as fair as possible. Again, the time is just a little past 7 a.m. I'm gonna start using this phone. Time to start my day. Now we'll catch up with you all in another few hours. Okay, so I've heard a lot of talk about the cameras here on the OnePlus 15 and you know, how they're not that much of an upgrade. But honestly, you know, for me, let me turn down the brightness here a little bit so it doesn't look too overblown on screen. But honestly, for me, I've been able to capture some great shots with the cameras on this device right here. I honestly think they are pretty good. And that's just, you know, my own personal opinion, of course. I mean, look at this photo. This was taken with the portrait mode and it came out great. So I think overall, the cameras, when it comes to taking photos here on the OnePlus 15, I mean, you can capture some great shots. Like I said, yeah, they might not be the best cameras out there, but they're not bad by any means at all either. Here's a portrait shot right there. And this was taken with that 120 times zoom. Of course, it is a digital zoom and, you know, there is some AI going on there to help, you know, sharpen up these photos, clear them up, and, you know, really get them looking the way that they do. But even then, I mean, the photos still look great. Look at another 120 times shot. So this is the, you know, ultra wide angle shot right here, trying to take a picture of that statue down there, zoomed in 120 times and boom, look at how clear that still looks. And then took some night photos, and even the night photos come out pretty good as well. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I can't say the same thing for video. Video is decent. I do have a full 4K video test coming up on the channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. But video is decent on this device. But I am here back with an update, our very first update. It is 11:33 a.m. now, so about 4.5 hours since we've taken this device off of the charger, which was around 7 this morning. We are down to 89% battery life. So not doing too bad, but let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here and let's see what everything looks like. So as you can see, it's going to show us like the full 24 hours of usage. But if I want to get just, you know, the usage that I have since I've taken this device off the charger, I can just tap there and swipe over, because that is when I took it off of the charger there. And then I can swipe down. As you can see, we are now at 2 hours and 8 minutes of screen on time, so not doing too bad. I haven't used the phone super crazy this morning. You know, I've just been doing a few things. So this is what my usage has been like so far today. 40 minutes of Instagram, used some Teams. I had a Teams meeting, just a short video call earlier. The camera for a little bit, whoops, the camera, photo, system launcher, Chrome browser, got some Gmail, you know, got some emailing done, YouTube Studio, check up on the YouTube channel, messages, TikTok, Facebook, system UI. So this has pretty much been my usage so far this morning. And as you can see, as far as my settings go, I am in dark mode. And I also have, if I go into my display settings here, I have the image sharpener turned on. I do have the video color boost turned on. I do have the screen refresh rate on high and the screen resolution on high as well. Then if I turn the screen off, I am also using the always on display as well. I have this turned on all day long. Look at how fast that fingerprint sensor works. It works great. But so again, so far we are at 2 hours and 7 minutes of screen on time, down to 89% battery life left. Again, the time is now 11:35 a.m. I'm gonna continue using this device as I normally do throughout my day, and I will update you guys again in another few hours. Sorry, buddy, don't think so. So I've been doing a little bit of gaming here on the OnePlus 15, playing some Fortnite, and with a wireless gaming controller, of course, because this is the best way to do it. It's gonna give you the best gaming experience that you can get. And for those of you who are wondering, this is actually a PS4 controller. Oh, got him. And I gotta say, gameplay is super smooth on this device. I mean, it handles it like a boss. Great performing device right here when it comes to gaming. Like I said, using a wireless controller right here just makes the gaming experience just so much better. But I mean, look at how smooth this is. I haven't experienced any lag or anything like that. No stuttering, no hiccups. It's been smooth all the way around. See if I can get one more kill here. Somebody's fighting. I think they're in the building. Where you at? Ah! There we go, got him. Okay, I think that's enough gaming for now. I am back with an update. Let's check it out. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn the brightness down here a little bit. So the time is now 3:44 p.m. as you can see there. So a little over 4 hours since our very last update. We are down to 73% battery life. Not doing too bad at all. Actually, that is really good right there. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings. Let's go ahead and do this little slide right there. We're at 3 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time. So not bad at all. And then this is going to be my usage so far today. Instagram got about 16 minutes of Fortnite right there. And I actually a little bit more than that. I don't think it's updated itself yet because before recording this portion of the video, I did go in here and check. And this was from my last gameplay, so it still needs to add on what I was just playing right now on the video for you guys. But this is the rest of my usage for today. So as you can see, I did use my device a little bit more today with a little bit of X, PayPal, Sora AI, making some AI videos, more YouTube Studio, TikTok, some YouTube. Did use the maps earlier as well. Some more emails, cameras, and yeah, a lot more Instagram as you can see there. But this has been my usage for today. Again, we are at 3 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time with 73% battery life to get me through the rest of the day. And as you can see, I mean, we're already more than halfway through the day. This is definitely going to get me super late into the night. It will get me into tomorrow as well. But I will catch up with you guys in another few hours. All right, you guys, I gotta show you just how beautiful the display is here on the OnePlus 15. I mean, it is an absolutely beautiful display, nice clarity, sharp picture. I mean, those colors can really pop out at you. I mean, it's got nice, vibrant colors here on this. Look at that, look at how good that looks. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can't really go wrong when watching content on the display here on the OnePlus 15. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I just had to share that with you guys really quick there. But I am back with an update. The time is now 8:41 p.m. So just about 5 hours later from our last update. Look where we are with battery life. 49% battery life left, and it's already nighttime. We're getting pretty late into the night. 49% battery life left. Absolutely insane. As you can see, it's been tracking my steps all day as well. So, I mean, it's even behind the scenes, it is still being put to work. So let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here. Let's do this little number right there. There we go. So it looks like our screen on time right now is 6 hours and 41 minutes. With 49% battery life left to go. Not doing bad at all. Very impressive. Let's take a look at my usage here. As you can see, Instagram, hour 37 minutes. Got some more Fortnite there, more YouTube. Let me open this up a little bit more. Got the camera app, Teams, TikTok, photos. Used some more maps earlier as well when taking a walk to map out my route. Gmail there, messages, Chrome, Clash of Clans. And as you can see, this has been my usage for the day here. Just a tiny bit of Snapchat there, PayPal, Amazon shopping, notes. So yeah, what do you guys think so far? I mean, are you as impressed as I am? 6 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time with 49% battery life left. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this measures, the 24 hours of usage. So we're finally starting to get rid of, yesterday's usage there up until, I started charging the device overnight. Now, if I go past the 24 hours, I'm really not sure what's gonna happen. It's probably going to start cutting off some of the usage from today. So if I tried to take this video into tomorrow, it's gonna be hard to kind of accurately count our screen on time after that. I'm really not sure, to be honest. But I'll probably just end it here in the night. Not right now, I'll probably do one more update for you guys and I'll just keep using the phone because I'm gonna be up pretty late tonight anyways, and I'll continue using this device. And this video was really just to give you an idea of how great battery life is on this phone and to show you that yes, you can definitely go an entire day without having to worry about throwing this phone on the charger. And I mean, say you're someone who goes to sleep early, maybe around 9 p.m. You got 49% battery life left on your phone. This will definitely take you into tomorrow, whether it be half a day or even a little bit more than half a day. I know I'm gonna be using this a little bit more tonight, so I'm pretty heavily using this phone today, but even then, I'll probably still be able to get through most of my morning up until lunchtime, maybe tomorrow, with the rest of the battery life that I have left on this phone. But as you can see, again, 6 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time. Let's see, did I do that right? Right where I left off charging. There we go. 6 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time. Battery life is at 49%. Time is 8:43 p.m. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another few hours. All right, so I am calling it a night. I am exhausted, as you can probably see by the look on my face. I am ready for bed, but we definitely made it through the entire day, late into the night. I mean, it is currently 11:44 p.m. right now, so definitely made it late into the night on one single charge, and we still got battery life left to go. Let's go and take a look. So the time is now 11:47 p.m. as you can see there, and we are down to 30% battery life. We still got 30% battery life to go on the OnePlus 15. So say I go to sleep now, wake up in the morning, this 30% battery life, or it might, I don't know, maybe it'll go down 1 or 2% while I'm sleeping or whatever, but this is still going to be enough to get me through most of my morning, maybe even up until lunchtime. That is how great the battery is here on the OnePlus 15. Absolutely insane. But let's go into my battery settings here and see what my final usage is like for the day here and our screen on time. So the final screen on time for the day, like I said, we're not done yet, but we're done for the day. Our final screen on time is 8 hours and 46 minutes with 30% battery life left to go. That is crazy, crazy good battery life. And as you can see, this is my final usage for today before I decide to go to bed. I mean, we got Instagram, Fortnite there, got some more YouTube, and now we're in 3 minutes. We got the camera being used there, TikTok, Teams, Photos, Gmail, Meta AI, Maps, got some Netflix there, Chrome browser, Messages, X, Clash of Clans, Sora, Google Play Services, YouTube Studio, Notes, Facebook, Paper. I mean, the list goes on when it comes to my usage for the day here, as you can see. Even a little bit of quick video editing there in KineMaster or KineMaster, however you pronounce that. But yeah, so this is my final usage for the day. And again, 8 hours and 46 minutes of screen on time with 30% battery life left. I don't know, the OnePlus 15 right here, it's crazy, crazy good battery life. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This has been my all-day real-life battery drain test with the OnePlus 15 right here. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.